Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the controller and tools. Install Betaflight configurator and the correct USB drivers so your computer recognizes the board. Back up your current CLI dump and take pictures of configuration pages. This lets you restore settings if needed. Next, connect the flight controller with a USB cable and put it into DFU mode. Either use the dedicated boot button or short the boot pads. Once in DFU, the configurator will detect the board, and you're ready to select firmware. Now pick the proper target and firmware release that matches your flight controller. Make a deliberate choice. Use full chip erase when switching major versions or changing targets, or keep settings if only updating minor releases. Load the hex or bin and confirm options like bootloader inclusion only if required. Click Flash while in DFU. Monitor the progress bar until it completes and the tool reports success. Once done, disconnect and reconnect to let the board boot with the new firmware. After flashing, reconnect to Betaflight configurator and either restore your saved CLI dump or reconfigure ports, sensor alignment, and your receiver mapping. Calibrate the accelerometer and verify receiver inputs, then perform motor tests with props removed to confirm ESC and motor behavior. If anything misbehaves, make sure to reflash the exact target. If flashing fails or the board stays in bootloader, use a driver tool like Zadig on Windows or try a full chip erase and reflash. This often resolves mismatched bootloader or driver issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.